Left lane with a 360. Right lane with a 360. Both of them went a 360. Left lane went 209. Right lane went 208. Left lane cut a badass light. Right lane was sleep. Ooh wee. Dang, boy, they ain't playing. Whoever leave first. It's whoever leave first.
Huh?
It's whoever leave first. Dang. Hey, y'all, we got the stone vet in here, y'all. Yeah, I'm ready. We got the stone vet in here, y'all. He's stoned. He's stoned, y'all. Boy, say, woo! Went 201, y'all. I like that. I like that pass that it made though. Damn. Damn. What you think? What you think?
Water.
Oh, that's water.
Yeah.
But it's brown looking.
No.
It's still water though.
No.
It look all
water
of
and
it.
oil.
Water and oil. So what you think happened? A blow head gasket?
Something like that.
Damn, man. We got a blow head gasket, something like that. Dang, but what you be thinking when it happened like that before the pass? Like, damn, do you think that it was hurt last pass, or do you think
No,
that
it was hurt last pass.
Okay.
So it's just something they did, putting it back together.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what they you think they seen? You with that team?
No.
Okay. You seen it run last pass?
Yeah,
Did it
ran
run?
at 57 on the string, but it nailed it at the line. It blew up.
Oh, okay. You seen some smoke down there?
Yeah. Oh yeah. And I had to go down and clean it. It was all oil.
Oh,
so
for
it
real?
Probably pushed something out.
Oh, okay. And then they went and tried to fix it and came back, and now we got this right here.
The gasket or something.
Yeah, they probably missed the gasket, y'all. They probably gonna have to take that whole motor out right. Just redo everything.
They're done now.
Yeah, they done now. Yeah, they gonna have to go and redo the whole motor, y'all. They gonna have to go and redo everything. Yeah, they say you know what you talking about, man. I got my YouTube and my channel. They say you know what you talking about.
Been around.
Yeah, he been around. He been around this racing for a long time, y'all. And that ain't nothing. He been around this racing for a long time. Yeah, he know about everything that happened. You done had a car. What kind of car you got?
My son races.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's got a 70 Oldsmobile 442. Now he's got a 92 Mustang Fox body. We're putting a big motor in it. Gonna go some 430s.
God damn, y'all trying to do that?
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, he needs to speed up.
Okay. So they finna be running some 430s, y'all. Y'all check them out, man.
Hey,
they gonna be
wants
running.
to sponsor a transmission? We need one.
Yeah, I need one too. I think right now. Hey, look out, man. What's your name? Jace. We got Jace in the building. Where you from?
Odessa.
Odessa? You know how to race?
Yeah. I race junior.
You race junior? Well, how fast you going?
80s.
80s? Okay.
What's the time?
What's your time you running?
770s.
I was thinking of 790. Okay, 770. Okay. You doing, how old are you? 13 running 770s. That's pretty good, man.
You ready to get one of
770.
these?
Yeah. You ready?
I already told my dad. I said, Dad, can I get off juniors and I get one?
You're
Yeah.
gonna have to get another job, ain't
I
it?
know. He was like, yeah, right.
Okay, so how you gonna do it, man? You gonna go nitrous, supercharger, or turbo?
Supercharged.
Oh, you like superchargers? Okay. He like superchargers, y'all.
Are you going TikTok live? I know.
Where?
TikTok?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok too.
What's your account?
Lookout Racing, but I'm on YouTube too. I suggest you to go to YouTube and not TikTok. I like YouTube, man. I'm trying to get that money. I got all my people. On here. Yeah, they say you gangster, man. They waiting on you to get in here on YouTube. I got people ready to talk to you. Yeah, they ready to check up on you.
7-0, we need you to 5 and 6, please. 7-0, bring them to 5
All right.
and 6, please.
Yeah, that's me right there. We live right there. That's the one we live in.
5 and 6.
Bet. Okay, we out loud. Let me give you my card too.